Well, hi, I'm John Lake Guy here with Ebby Halliday at Cedar Creek Lake, and today I have got a real treat for you. We're going to preview a listing by Lucy Gray from my office, and this is in Lakeway Estates. It's on the southwest end of the lake. Man, this is a great place. It is a about 2,100 square foot house, has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a game room. Yeah, a game room is available with all the furnishings, and the game room has a pool table and a shuffleboard table in it, and there's a bathroom in there. Yeah, pretty unique. Has 2 bedrooms down, has 2 bedrooms up, a beautiful deck outside, a really large lot, and man, they use this as a VRBO, and it stays rented all the time, and you're going to see why. Come, let's take a look. You're going to enjoy it, so let's get started. We're here. You have the drive up of the house. Look at that beautiful tree right there. Now this house faces west, got lots of trees, so you're going to have shade in the afternoon. Has a storage building there, and you can see there's a little balcony upstairs for one of those upstairs bedrooms. And right here to the left, they did do a conversion in the garage, and that's where the game room is. Got plenty of parking. Pan down the neighborhood. This is on a cul-de-sac, so you're at the end of the street. And you got great parking. Here's your neighbor across the way. Your other neighbor coming down into the cul-de-sac. You're just right off the bend going out towards open water, so you got protected water. Be able to get your boat in and out no matter what the conditions are. Pretty special thing. Good deep water on a canal, and this is a real popular place. Let's go down and take a look at the waterfront. Now we're at the waterfront and we're looking back at the house, and you'll notice it's terraced. Got a deck that goes all the way across. We'll go take a look at that in a minute. Look at those trees. Volleyball court, yeah, how about that? And you come back around and it's terraced again, and you've got a nice waterfront right here. Look at this channel. Actually, it's a canal. Pretty nice. Gosh, it's just a beautiful place. People absolutely love it. Fishing is excellent. So if you like to fish off your dock, you want to fish in here, it is really good. Has a boathouse, wave runner lift. Yeah, it is really neat. Isn't that cool? Well, let's go take a look at the boathouse and we'll go back up on the deck. Got an empty lot over here to the right. Let's go take a look. Now we're down here at the waterfront. You can see the boathouse here. Got a wave runner lift on the right side, and you have a wave runner lift on the left side. Have a really nice deck out here to sit in the afternoons and just enjoy. As you can see, the terrace right there, steel retaining wall. But isn't that something? Look at that. Like I said, storage building up front, terrace yard, great setting, and it's early morning here, about 10 a.m. and you're going to have a really nice mornings with coffee, and you're going to have great afternoons. Come out here on the deck. Now this retaining wall looks like it's brand new, so somebody just spent a chunk of money taking care of that. And as you can see across, aren't those houses gorgeous? Look at that. Go right out here, go to your left, you're out towards the main body of the lake. Now, yes, that is a swing. Grab it, swing off, enjoy yourself. But yeah, looks like you got maybe 100 feet of waterfront or pretty close to it. Very enjoyable. Let's go up and take a look at that deck. Now this is where this property really shines. Got terrace decks. Look at that view. Isn't that nice? A terrace deck, you've got an area up here. Because if you have a large family, a lot of friends, people like to migrate around to different areas. Well, you've got one up here, got the grill up there. By the way, the inside of the house has got beams exposed in a lot of the rooms. The interior pictures, I'll have a link for that below. Another bedroom, another balcony. Yeah. Deck all across the house. They've done a great job on this. What a wonderful place to entertain. What an absolute wonderful place to entertain. Really nice. Spend a lot of time up here in the afternoons after you've had a day out on the lake, enjoying it. No matter if the wind is rough, you're going to come back in here. It's be nice and calm, easy to put your boat up, easy to put the wave runners up. Got kids that like to kayak. Oh my gosh, they'll love it in here. Absolutely love it. Don't let this one slip away. You better move on it quickly. God, the trees are awesome. Well, if you'd like more information about this property or any other property here on Cedar Creek Lake, please get a hold of me. My information will be below. And please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Helps me out quite a bit. So give me a call, give Lucy a call. I'd love to show you this house. Pictures will be up soon. And I tell you, the interior is really nice. They've done some updates and you're going to enjoy those. So give us a call, have a great day, and enjoy the lake life.